Cúi muid go dtí Red Mountain Farm, seo muid ar an bus. Bhí muid ar bís. Tháinig muid gá gabhar bán. Léirí agus Missy is anam dó. Tháinig muid gá gabhar dó freisin. Kelly agus Joe is anam dó.
Guys, we want to stay as a group, okay? We're going to stay as a group. Alright, so is everyone going to turn on the, does everyone have the turn of rubbing them? Alright, so I'll give you a few more minutes to rub them and then we're going to go and see the birds, okay? Yeah, we're going to tell you what they are and what they name. Alright, so guys, we're going to go up and see the birds, okay?
Tháinig muid trí cúnaí, sport midnight agus hops is anam dó. I think I like animals.
Yeah, what did she wear?
Tháinig muid gá cuimhe, Lucy agus Ruby is anam dó. Seo muid ithe Ireland. Bhí an sport agin ag sprí ar an sléineán ar na tractóirí beaga agus leis an gcáine. Seo Trixie an Cappalain beag rua. Seo this hassle spray. Tháinig Much tree butter and Geraldine brought me agus finis.